First Robotics Competition is the world's landmark
Who's building
robotics
robots in
competition
America?
for students.
Children are.
In school you read about stuff, but in First as a whole, you actually go and do it.
At the beginning of January, the challenge comes out every year. Under strict rules and limited time and resources, you have to design, build, program, and test a robot.
There's no blueprint. We get a few rules and guidelines to follow, and then it's up to those students to find something that works.
There's nothing better than just seeing your robot on the field playing for the first time. They're all there like, is it gonna work? Is it gonna work? And then it works, it's the best feeling ever.
Because I want to give you a challenge over there. First
You
Robotics.
have mentors
do
that
an
are
Indian
actually in
version
the
of
field that can tell you, oh, this is why this works.
Indian
and
kids
this is the
are
science
as
behind it.
geeky
You're like,
as
oh
our
wow, that
American
makes so
kids.
much sense.
And they have
They do a
better
great
knowledge
job,
of
not just about
electronics
STEM, but about
and
life,
physics
how to
and
go
science.
through college, how to
I
go
got
through,
to see
a tough,
India-wide
business
contest to
class.
build robots
Face value,
inexpensively.
First Robotics Competition
You will,
is
you these kids will leap
but
forward
at the
ahead
end
of
the day,
anything
it's so
you've
much
seen
more
before.
than that.
People ask me like, oh, you build robots? I says, no, we're really running a business and all the things that go along with that.
We deal with a lot of marketing, social media.
I've learned business sides of things.
Problem solving, working in groups.
I'm learning how to communicate with people, how to reach out to local businesses.
So we kind of have robotics as the starting point, but we branch out to different areas and expand.
So the ultimate goal every year is always to get to the first championship.
The first championship is basically like the Olympic for robots.
So this is what America can do.
Hundreds of